Hello, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a brand new video, and this time on a Magic Roundabout I have this Corgi Toys Mercedes Benz Bonner ambulance. So as you watch it go around, just like to say hello to your friends on the channel, welcome back. Any recently joined the friends, welcome aboard, much appreciated. Hope you stick around and like my videos, including this one. So this is my next one I'm gonna have a go at. I've done one of these for a little while, so I thought I'd do it again. So let's get off magic and on the bench and get stuck into it. Right, okay, so we've got a Corgi Toys a Bonner 2500 ambulance. Yeah, based on a Mercedes. Right. So I've got rivets front and end. Let's get into those. Right. As the head of the rivet's taken off, so the base should just pop off now. Yeah. Right, front bump off as usual. Yeah. Indicators bump all in one. Interior. Here's your glass unit, big old lump. Well, it's supposed to pop out anyway, it's supposed to. But this one's been a bit awkward for some reason. No, there you go, that's the interior out. Right, now it's got to pop out. There you go, that's it. There's the beacon bar as well. Right. Well, I'm going to do a bit of work on this before I put it through the caustic soda bath. Where's me doodah? Yeah. Oh no, I've got something. Still got the glass on the back window to get rid of. Nearly forgot that. Right. Right. Come on. That thing, guys, is pretty tough to get out. Might have to leave it out. without trying to break it, of course. Oh, there you go, at last. Right, now do some work on it. Right, we'll cut out the central window pillar. Right, so I'll show you what I'm doing. So I'm doing the rest of this off camera now because it's taking a bit longer than I thought it would. So just save a bit of camera to film time. So I'll get back to you when I've done it. Right, before I put it through the caustic soda bath, just thought I'd show you what I've done. You saw me cut off one of the wings on one side. Yep, so I've done both wings. Okay. Well, I'm trying to get away from the ambulance theme. So I'll remove the bit where the ambulance name normally goes. I'll remove the bits where the beacon goes. Flatten them off. Also got rid of these two little domes on here. Cut them off and smoothed it all out. I've done both window pillars over here. This side as well. Yep, so time for a caustic soda bath, and while that's going through that, I'll do the next bit. Okay. Right, whilst the cast is in caustic soda bath, I'll do some prep work to the base plate in the interior and on the front bumpers. Right, so what I'm going to do first is take the interior and just cut away the back half behind the seat there. Right, that's front half I'm going to keep. It's dangerous. It's all come apart. Bear with. Right, just sort my multi-drill out. Bear with me a minute. Oh, and I've lost a washer. Right, so that's the interior sorted out. Right, then I'm going to keep the grille and the bumper itself, but try and just cut out the lights bit there. side. Right, so we've got our front seats done and the front done. Right. Right, cut the dashboard in half. That's the usual. Right, when the base plate is set off, we're just going to cut the front corner bits off. I think use your hacksaw on this, the old blade's get a bit blunt now. Right, so I'll finish off camera and show you afterwards. Right, so I have a casting back from the Cossack soda bath. As you can see, one or two areas are a bit stubborn, didn't want to come off. So I'm going to get this removed. Now I've had one or two newcomers to my my site, my YouTube site. So for the benefit of those who don't know how I do this, it's just a wire wheel attachment on a drill. Just run an overhaul casting just to polish it up and to move any stubborn bits. So I'll do a quick demo on the front here. See that piece gone well, gone over it. Right, so that's that front bit pushed up and the paint removed. Right, so I'm going to do the rest off camera now. And afterwards I'll show you how we do the safety H-frames inside these. Okay? Right, I'm going to show you how the safety H-frames go in these. So what I do is put the remains of the interior back in place to give me an idea of where the pillar that goes across. Now, before I go any further, they're just made out of the old safety mat sticks, the really long ones. Ideal for these they are. So you need to put one across in first, and you've got the two uprights afterwards. So what I do is, one that goes across first, so you take one end and you go inside the casting, you see that, okay, and then you mark the other end just on the edge of the other side of the casting, just where my two fingers are. Okay, right, so you cut that bit off. Right, so that bit cut off should just fit inside, just. Right, so it goes behind the seats, push it down as much as you can. Where's a screwdriver somewhere to push it down with. Make sure it's nice and straight. Just about, yep. Okay, right, you can then take the seats out. Now the other end you've cut off, you can use it as one of the uprights. So what I do is just you can glue it in place behind. Let's see that. Go behind. Okay, glue that in place. A bit of super glue. Okay. So you need to glue that in place as well. Okay. Got to watch this glue because it dries. Those places we don't need to go. It can be a bit fiddly when you've got glue everywhere. Okay, right, get your activator spray, harden the glue. Actually, where's my little straw? Better save wasting any. That hardens the glue. Okay, right, when you get the other matchstick, you can, what I'll do, I'll glue it in place as a whole stick and then cut it down afterwards. Let's put some glue inside the casting, onto the one going across. Doesn't matter if it drips everywhere, you can use that. Right. Here the glue. Okay. So glue that inside. Okay. La, 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 la. It's not fairly straightish, so that's hardened now. So you need to cut them down to length so that the base sits flush. I'll choose a pair of cutters for this. You can use a multi-drill or anything you like, but so I thought I'd cut down with a old pair of cutters. So just cut them down first. So cut my stick in half, and cut the head off the other one, and come out. Right, it doesn't matter, we can still fix that. Right, put your base plate on, see if it fits alright. If it doesn't, you need to trim it down a bit more. Yep, massive gap there. Right, so you cut some more off. So it's nearly there, nearly. Just a tiny bit more. Get in there now, get in there. How's that looking? Near enough, just probably a tad more on the other one. That should do it then. There you go. Yeah, I think that's all right. A little bit shorter, but it's in there. Okay, there you go. So that's how they're made. Just glue one back in place where it's come off. Right, get some paint onto this now. I've already painted the inside just to cover up all the messy dried up glue inside it. So I'm doing the outside now. So the bottom half's going to be black, top half's going to be red. Plenty of paint on your brush. So spread it all over. Yeah, try and go everywhere with it. The more you can spread about, the less you've got to get out of tin. Oh, right. Right, so that's the bottom half done. top half now. When it's all dried off, I'll tidy it all up afterwards. A bit neater. I think that's about it. Like I say, when it's all dry, I'll tidy it all up. Yeah, definitely. Right, okay. Righty-ho. Right, rebuild time now. As I'm going to put it all back together first, then tidy the paint up afterwards, where the red sort of runs into the black here and there. Okay, so yeah, I've done this side as well again. So I'm going to put a dash back in first. Like that. Oops, got it falling out again. Okay. Then the interior. Okay, as it be, like that. And then I'm going to put the grille back on. Okay, now the base. There's going to be a tricky bit because I need to get it all lined up. And so far I think it is. Oops, it was. Right, try again. Okay, not without damaging the fin plate. Right. 2 of it. Bought a load more of these last week. Running out of them. Glue and activator. That's a little bit of glue down the holes where the rivets would go. One rivet in first. There's one in. Activator spray next to harden it, keep it in place. Okay. Now the back one. That's in. Right, there we go. Right. There you go. Right, I'm going to finish off camera now. That's quite a straightforward one to do, but I like to do this because I like to surprise you lot when it's finished. So keep you lot guessing what team I'm going to do this, and all the other ones. Right, so see you back on the magic roundabout. Okie dokie. Right, here we are then, back on the magic roundabout. All finished now. It is here, Corgi Toys Mercedes Bonner ambulance. Done in the colours of a team from the past called Dorking Drunks. So it was an actual team back in the day. So I've tried to get away from the ambulance theme best I can by cutting out the window pillars, removing the recess where the name used to be on the front, removed the domes on the roof as well. Yeah, so there you go. Another one finished. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed this video. We'll reply to any comments underneath as usual. Yeah, so until next video, be good, stay safe, enjoy yourselves, what you're doing, and bye for now. Bye bye.